Welcome to this 10-minute mindfulness meditation designed to guide you towards a state of blissful awareness and serenity. As we embark on this journey, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep, cleansing breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel your body relax as you draw your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Now, allow your breath to return to its normal pace, and simply observe it without judgment or control. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils and filling your lungs, then leaving your body as you exhale. As you continue to focus on your breath, anchor yourself in the present moment. If your mind starts to wander, gently acknowledge your thoughts and bring your awareness back to your breath. Embrace the present moment, fully experiencing each sensation, sound, and feeling that arises. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to feel, simply observe and accept whatever comes up. Now, shift your focus to your body. Begin at the top of your head and slowly move your awareness down, scanning each part of your body for any sensations, tension, or relaxation. Take note of these sensations without judgment, simply observing and accepting them as they are. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to reflect on your experience. Acknowledge the gift of mindfulness you've given yourself today, and set an intention to carry this awareness with you throughout the rest of your day. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this mindfulness meditation. Remember to practice mindfulness daily to experience its life-changing benefits. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mindfulness content. Namaste.